Is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Tisai Hair. Nice to have you all back. Today's video we are going to do another wig review, but before we get into that, I just want to give you a quick update on this headband wig that I purchased some time ago. It will be linked above. I just washed it recently and honestly I love it now, because at the time I bought it I wasn't sure I liked it because it wasn't giving me what I needed from it, but now that it's older and I got some wear out of it, I quite like her now. But this is not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about the Butta Lace Unit 8. I have been waiting for this for quite some time. I ordered it maybe as soon as it came out and I only just finally received it. This is what she looks like. Right, so let me tell you a little bit about her. She is Butta Lace Unit 8 HD lace. Her color is Flamboyage Mocha. This is from the Sensationnel brand, and it's a cute midway wavy bob. Okay, so this is what the unit looks like. She is quite beautiful. This color is beautiful, and then it has these blonde highlights to frame the face. Alright, the lace is quite pretty. It's not thick and it's slightly tinted. Look at that. So you see, it's not the transparent white lace you sometimes see on these units. The texture is actually yaki. It's not silky, so they get points for that. It's a nice wavy, bouncy, it moves nicely, so looking forward to that. Let me just show you the stock card, show you the colors in the back. Alright, so a range of colors, guys, so you can't go wrong. You're getting everything from 1B all the way to 613, which is a platinum blonde. About the unit, she comes pre-plucked, and that simply means that the hairline will look a little more natural. It wouldn't have that line that you're used to with those synthetic wigs. They've come a long way, people. They've come a long way. It mimics a human hair frontal. It's quite transparent. The parting space is amazing. I don't have to do any work to the parting space. I might just have to maybe put some powder and then we'll see, because whew, so pretty. Alright, cap construction. It's a pre-parted middle part, ear to ear lace. There are two combs at the side, at the front, that is. A comb at the back with adjustable straps. She seems big head friendly, but it's too soon to tell, so I'll get back to you in a short moment. Let's try her on. Guys, so this is her on, just trying her on. Let me get up close. So you see how transparent it is. This is a cap I'm wearing underneath that I think I'm gonna take off. Just by trying her on, she is big head friendly. My head is 22, maybe 22 and a half inches, and look where it's fitting. This is covering my ear, so I haven't adjusted the straps either, so I'll have to do that. Let me come close. Right, so this is the baby hair from the unit. It's long, but that's not a bad thing. Come close so you can see the texture. The texture is giving me a little rough feel as I run my fingers through it. That's probably because it's yucky, and it could be because of the blonde highlights and stuff. Those tend to give off a dry feel. So my first impression is, I'm in love. I love it. So I'm going to cut the lace, come back. I'll decide whether I'm leaving the baby hairs and give you my last thoughts. This is what she looks like. This is my hair. I don't mind some of my hair showing. I'm going to use my concealer in the pattern space instead of powder. I find it's kind of bumpy. Just take this and apply just some minimal heat and just view 360. This is what it looks like on this side. I absolutely love it. I think they did well with the lace. It's really, really good work. I mean, yes, I could go in and color this in with some brown pencil so that this would be less detectable. It's heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 100% premium fiber. HD lace, it's pre-plucked. It came with baby hair. The battery of the camera died, so I had to switch to my phone. Yeah, so I must say I'm very impressed with the lace of this wig. And she is synthetic. I'm only getting shedding after cutting the lace. Before, when I tried her on, I didn't get any shedding at all. I think over time she will tangle because of the texture. I bought it at Santa's in San Fernando. I paid $395 TT for it. It retails anywhere between, I think, 35 to maybe 45 US dollars. Yeah, this is one of my favorites now. Go on and on about it. I love it. I wish I had somewhere to go now. I'm ready for them. I'm ready for them, you know. I just wish. Is this unit beginner friendly? I would say it's intermediate. It's not beginner friendly. It's some work. There is some work involved in making sure that you cut the lace properly and really lay it down. I mean, everybody else saying it's beginner friendly, but me as a beginner, I struggled a little bit with this one. So I'm just letting you know from my experience. Anyway, guys, thank you so much again for joining me. I hope I'm helping somebody out there. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, now will be a wonderful time. Also, hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any future upload. Bye, guys.